Have you ever noticed that many cyclists have shaved legs? It's not just about looking professional. There are several real reasons behind it. 1. Easier wound care. When cyclists crash, road rash is common. Cleaning and dressing a wound is usually easier when there's less hair. 2. Better massage and recovery. Many serious riders get sports massages. Therapists often find it easier to work on shaved legs without pulling on hair. 3. Comfort and hygiene. Long rides mean sweat, dirt, sunscreen, and road grime. Some cyclists simply find shaved legs easier to clean and maintain. 4. Tradition and identity. In competitive cycling, shaved legs have been part of the sport for decades. For many riders, it's a way of feeling connected to cycling culture. So, do cyclists shave their legs to go faster? The aerodynamic benefit exists, but for most everyday riders, the practical reasons are wound care, recovery, comfort, and tradition. And honestly, many cyclists just like how it feels on the bike. Now you know the real reason cyclists shave their legs. Would you do it too? Comment below and follow for more pedal stories.